Figma links can be somewhat scary. They are long and full of gibberish, and for those unfamiliar with Figma, might look like the link for a virus or a phishing scam. So let's look on how we can make those links more presentable. First, click on Share. Then click on Copy Prototype Link. Paste your link in a browser tab. Configure the link the way you prefer. I like to make sure the scaling option is set to fill screen, and I also like to click on Hide Figma's UI to make sure that the focus is on the prototype and not on Figma. After you're done configuring everything the way you like, copy the link. Open a new tab in your browser and go to figma.fun. Paste the link in the pink text box. And done. A new, shorter link will be shown, which you can then share to your colleagues, clients, or developers. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.